Hello and welcome back. We are in the second part of the video tutorial where we will see how to make the baby shoe. In the first part we already learned how to make the sole and how to attach the sole to the solid sole like this. Now in this part we will make the top of the shoe. For that, make a chain 1, make a single crochet in the same stitch and make one single crochet in every stitch around till the end. After a round of 66 single crochets, chain 2 for the next round, for the second round of the shoe top, and a half double crochet in the same stitch and one half double crochet each in every stitch around. Go on making one half double crochet in every stitch till the end. After making one round of half double crochets, we will go to the round 3. Start by making chain 2 and a double crochet in the same stitch and one double crochet each in every stitch around. Continue the same one double crochet in every stitch till the end of this round and complete the round by making a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. After completing a round of double crochets, we will go to the next round, that is the fourth round. So to begin, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same stitch. Make one single crochet in the next stitch. Next, make two single crochets together. Two single crochets together and one single crochet in next 21 stitches. 1, 2, 20 and 21. Then make one half double crochet decrease, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up another loop from the next stitch and pull through all the loops. This is one half double crochet decrease. Next we will make double crochet decreases 6 times. 3 loops on the hook. Don't complete the double crochet, keep 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull up another loop, pull through 2 loops, 3 loops will be left and yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. This is a double crochet decrease. This is the first one. We will make 5 more times. Two times. Next, make a half double crochet decrease, 2 half double crochets together. Next, one single crochet in next 21 stitches. 1, 2, this is 21. Next, 2 single crochets together. And last stitch is remaining where we will make one single crochet. Okay, join with a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to complete this round. Next round, fifth round, chain 1 and one single crochet in the same stitch. Next, one single crochet in the next 22 stitches. 1, 2, 22 stitches. Next, half double crochet decrease and double crochet decrease 3 times. This is 1. 3 double crochet decreases. Next is a half double crochet together. 1 and second stitch. This is a half double crochet decrease. Next is 22 single crochets in the next 22 stitches. 1, 2, 22. Complete the round by a slip stitch on the first single crochet Next round, chain 2, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, then 20 half double crochets, 1, 2, after 20 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet decrease, then double crochet decrease 2 times, double crochet decrease 2 times, then 2 half double crochets together, that is 1 more half double crochet decrease, next 20 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet in each of the next 20 stitches, 2, join with a slip stitch to complete the round, seventh round, chain 2, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, next half double crochet decreases 2 times, 2 decreases, next 14 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet in each of the next 14 stitches, 1, 2, next a half double crochet together, 1 decrease, next double crochet decreases 2 times, that is 2 double crochets together 2 times, next a half double crochet decrease, next 14 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet in each of the next 14 stitches, 1, 2, 14, next 2 half double crochet decreases, join with a slip stitch to complete the round. 8th round, chain 2, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, next a half double crochet decrease, next 14 half double crochets, 1, 2, 14, next double crochet 2 together 2 times, next 14 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet in each of the next 14 stitches, 1, 2, last 2 stitches make 1 half double crochet together, a decrease, next join with a slip stitch to complete the round. So this much is enough for a shoe. Now I want to make one more round so that I can pass the lace to tie. Okay, so for that, chain 3, and chain 1 more chain, that is first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet and the next chain is the chain space. Now skip one stitch and in the next stitch make a double crochet. Okay, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1 and 1 double crochet. So continue this, chain 1, skip 1 and a double crochet till the end. I think only last double crochet I have to make, chain 1, and now I have to join on top of chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Here join with the slip stitch and chain 1, cut the yarn, So this completes the shoe. Next, make a lace by taking 2 strands of the same colored yarn and make required number of chain stitches that is required to tie the lace, and that completes your shoe. Hide in that tail and the shoe is ready. So I have completed attaching the tassels, and this is how it looks after that. So you have to follow the same procedure to make the other shoe. This is how the finished shoe looks like. You can tie this. So make the other shoe in the similar way and let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks a lot for watching. We will meet in another video tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. The measurement of the sole that we had crocheted was 14.5 centimeters, but after we attach it on the solid sole, it stretches a little bit and now it is 15.5 centimeters. So it stretches up to 1 centimeter after you attach it, and that much is necessary for the child to wear it comfortably. So this measurement shoe fits a baby up to 2 years size. So measure your work before you finish if you are changing the hook size. I have used 3.5 to crochet this and 2.5 mm for the attachment of the sole. Okay. So hope your measurements are also the same as I did, or please check before you finish the complete shoe. Thank you.